the knockouts. They had a knockout punch for the Telugu Warriors in the semi-finals yesterday, and now they find themselves in the finals with a final shot at the trophy. Well, terrific settings here at the stadium. Sudeep, the captain, who's been so instrumental for his team's success, is out there marshalling his troops. He has handled his players really well. He's captained his side and been really impressive with his captaincy skills. He's always been there in the frame, always been a proactive captain, and we can see it happening even now. So everything's set. Karnataka Bulldozers, the bowler is ready to bowl the first ball. It's time to welcome my co-commentator Sabah Karim, who's been really busy this evening.
Thanks, Amol, and good evening to all the viewers who have tuned in to watch this Celebrity Cricket League 2012, the final one, the big one. Chennai Rhinos up against the Bulldozers. Chennai Rhinos, they won the toss and have decided to bat first. Big appeal, it came in sharply. The impact may be just outside off stump. That's what the umpire is referring to.
Sabah, that was close. It came in sharply, slightly outside off stump, but that was close. That was gone for all money. Why didn't they go upstairs? Oh, they have reviewed now. Sudeep, the captain, has reviewed the decision. He would be in a great position because he was right behind the stumps. The original decision is not out. So the first thing first, no ball is not an issue. He's way behind the popping crease. We need to move ahead. Impact in line. Well, what is your call, Sabah? Mine is out.
Hit him on the shin, and when it hit the front pad, the off stump was visible, which gives the impression that the impact was within the stumps. So I'll go with your decision here, Amol. Came in very sharply, tailed in so late. Where did it hit him? On the shin. There you can see the off stump. I don't think the angle would have taken it down the leg side. That's out, in my opinion.
He's not even too forward. The original decision, mind you, is not out. Given by the on-field umpire. And it's changed it. That's out. So it's 2 games in a row. We see wicket on a first ball of the match. Saw it happening yesterday when the Mumbai Heroes were fielding, and it's the time for Karnataka Bulldozers. They have struck the first blow, the very first delivery of the match. Well, Jiva has to go without troubling the scorers. It's none for one.
So there is some confusion on the ground. Jiva was given out. The decision was reviewed, and then the main umpire overturned his decision and he gave him out. So which means that Chennai Rhinos, they have lost a wicket of the first delivery. But some confusion even now prevails on the ground. They've had a discussion, the two batsmen with the two umpires on the ground. Very difficult to figure out from here.
Well, what is the confusion all about? I cannot understand that. The umpire gave not out initially, then they reviewed it. The umpire's upstairs, he gave out. Can't understand what the confusion is all about.
What are the two main umpires doing? They should take a call here. I mean, it's two umpires who need to handle the confusion on the ground.
We've got to respect the decision of the umpires. If they have given it out, we've got to go in. Cannot hold the game for one decision.
I think whatever one could gather, the confusion is that the Rhinos are protesting that the field restrictions that should have been on was not properly followed. Apparently one of the fielders was standing outside the 30-yard circle, and that is why they were protesting. But I think finally good sense has prevailed, and Jiva has gone back to the pavilion, and we see a new man coming in.
The first ball in the big finals, Karnataka Bulldozers. Come on, Hyderabad!
So finally, number 3 batsman walks in.
Not to forget, Chennai Rhinos are one of the most exciting sides.
Sri Balaji for Chennai Rhinos has to come in at a very critical juncture in the game. He's lost his opening batsman Jiva. He's played 3 games so far in the CCL 2012. 5 runs he scored, so he hasn't got going at all. And now he finds himself facing the second delivery in this all-important game in front of a packed house here. What a start, Saba. It's been a really action-packed evening so far.
So Karthik has struck for the Rhinos. The first delivery ball, he got rid of Jiva. Bowled quite well in that semi-final encounter also. Again, the same swing delivery. This time the umpire is not impressed. He indicates the height. He was caught on the move, Sri Balaji here.
Last time he said outside off stump, he was wrong. This time it was the height issue, and he's absolutely right over there. He's really making the ball to talk. Come back in sharply. He's got a good strong action. Bowls it on the seam. Been really impressed with the wicket in these very 2 deliveries. It's been carrying through. There is something for this medium pacers, which you mentioned in your pitch report.
Actually, I was pleasantly surprised with this track here. It has a fair covering of grass, and that should assist the pace bowlers, especially with the new ball. It is also a surface where batsmen can play their shots on trust, because the bounce is bound to be consistent. All this bodes well for this T20 battle in the middle, the big final.
But that was a first ball which got the wicket. That's the slow motion replay what we got to see in the com box. But he's really bowling it well. No wonder they were here 2 hours early on the ground. They have clearly warmed themselves up. They are bang on target right from the word go. Karnataka Bulldozers, they looked a strong team right throughout this tournament, and they're proving it to be in the finals as well. Well, Gundappa Vishwanath, the mentor of Karnataka Bulldozers, and it's his birthday today, Sabha.
So best wishes from all of us in the commentators box and from the production team. Wonderful man. He's been a great human being, a great ambassador for cricket for a number of years now. While he played Test cricket, all of us were a big fan of his batting skills. And since it's his retirement, it's his demeanor and his personality that has impressed all of us. So many happy returns of the day, sir. May you have a great year ahead. Down the leg side, loud appeal again by Karthik. First over comes to an end. 0 for 1.